Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina-Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots and lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. Take it to the video, talks about how to enter this. I also have a big one going on right now in honor of our 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. It includes the sold out Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palette collaboration. I also have a big one going on in honor of our 600th subscriber. All links to all of those videos that talk about how to enter all those will be in the description box down below. I also have unboxed the Facetory Winter Luxe box. It's $49 and there's more like full size, beauty products in there, toners. It's all skincare, it's all K-beauty, but it's, cleansers, it's oils, it's exfoliators, it's all of that sort of good for you skincare stuff. And what this one is, this is their monthly box. So that Luxe box comes out every quarter. And there's 7 face masks in here. Every once in a while they will also put in a bonus item as well. And it retails for $19. So that's always worth over $50 for that $19. It's 7 premium sheet masks and usually 1 to 2 skincare products included. For that $19, that does include for US shipping. And get ready for the winter 7 luxurious sheet masks that will help your skin stay hydrated. So if you subscribe by January 31st, you'll get this month's box. If not, then you'll get the February box. So let's find out what's in here. It says, just keep glowing. There's always a card that talks about the products. And it says, Happy Glow Year. In this month's box, we packed sheet masks that provide you with bright, plump, and healthy looking skin. Let's start the year right with some much deserved you time. And I love that most of these masks are really, really affordable. So the first one in here is from Make a Crème. It is their Comfort Air mask. Retails for $4. And find comfort in a sheet mask that's as light as air. This mask contains amazing ingredients to help plump up the skin and provide a radiance that makes you look like you've had a relaxing facial. That's the case, sign me up. Why they love it, not only does it have amazing ingredients like Nordic berry and ceramides to help hydrate your skin, but it also contains oxygen to help purify the skin. From the oxygen, your skin will experience mild air therapy to help gently remove dead skin cells, moisturize the skin without irritating it. An oxygen facial at home, yes please. So for those of you that don't know, I do a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks and let you know what I think. So be on the lookout for all of these and upcoming masking videos. It's one of the reasons why I got this subscription is because it gives me masks to do for my masking review series. From ID Placosmetics. This is the ID.AZ Real Care Bio Mask. What's a biomask? Biocellulose, okay. Sheet mask fits perfectly and ensures your skin receives the wonderful essence, makes calm and hydrate the skin. This mask is sure to make your skin happy. I do love biocellulose sheet masks. Why they love it? This mask gives our skin a boost of hydration. It calms redness caused by skin irritating or sensitivity, making our skin tone more even. The essence of this mask absorbs into the skin quickly and is perfect for the morning before makeup. Key ingredients are sea whip extract. This marine plant ingredient reduces inflammation of the skin. It also has Hyotunia gradata. This ingredient is antioxidant rich to help protect the skin from environmental changes. This does retail for $6. This is kind of a different looking one. This is Mediheal, and I think they had me at Collagen. This is the Collagen Essential Lifting and Firming Mask. Allow your skin to feel rejuvenated. This ultra-fine mask fits every contour of your face for a comfortable sheet masking experience. Why they love it? Our skin feels so hydrated and soft after using the sheet mask. We also notice that our skin looks smoother and brighter. This one is definitely a great go-to hydrating mask. Key ingredients are hydrolyzed collagen. This humectant ingredient hydrates the skin for a smooth and plump complexion. Hydrolyzed elastin. This ingredient is hydrating and moisturizing as it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm looking forward to this one. This does retail for $2. $2, you guys. Take 10 minutes. I would do it once a week if you can, but take 10 minutes, $2, and have a little relaxing time just for you. From the beautiful Factr, I have loved a bunch of their masks that I've got in the past. This one is a moist sponge aqua mask. What is a sponge mask? I don't know. This one has me intrigued. So the low pH sheet mask moisturize and soothes the skin for a fresh and glowing complexion. Why they love it? The sheet mask feels so comfortable on the skin, almost like a sponge. Whenever you use the sheet mask, our skin looks healthier the next morning. Key ingredients are citrus peel extract. This ingredient is antioxidant rich to help protect the skin from environmental damage. It's also great for brightening the complexion and fading hyperpigmentation. It also has lactobacillus ferment lysate. This ingredient is known for calming the skin and delivering good bacteria to help skins flourish and rebuild the skin barrier. This does retail for $3. From Elishacoy is a calming mushroom sheet mask. Say yes to hydrated and moisturized skin. This sheet mask contains reishi mushroom extract and provides skin with a beautiful plump look. Why they love it? We love using this mask at night because it feels so cooling and hydrating. Tip for you guys is store your sheet masks in your fridge. It'll really give you that cooling aspect. After a long day, relax with the sheet mask. It always feels like a dream. We wake up to calm, radiant, and plump skin. Key ingredients are the lucidium mushroom extract. This ingredient is anti-inflammatory and anti-aging. It calms irritated skin and improves skin resilience. Panthenol, this ingredient promotes healing and provides moisture to improve skin texture and appearance. This does retail for $3. I wonder if this one is a two-step because it kind of feels like it has two separate things here. This is the Pure Lotus Soothing and Brightening Mask. Give your skin a calming treatment with a sheet mask infused with soothing Nalaba Nucera leaf extract to help calm and soothe and hydrate your skin. Why they love it? The soothing mask has a gel type essence that calms and hydrates your skin. Directions: after washing the face, open the starter pack step 1 and gently wipe away, starting away from the center of your eyes, the lactic acid. This ingredient is a gentle chemical exfoliator to help slough away dead skin cells to renew and healthy looking skin. Step 2 is take the mask out and apply it all over your face for 10 to 20 minutes. Niacinamide, which I love. This hydrating ingredient brightens dark spots and strengthens the skin barrier. I love two-step masks. Can't wait to use this. This one does retail for $5. From Yadah, I have a toner that I really love of theirs. This is the Red Energy Mask, and it's a red foil mask, contains 8 red ingredients that revitalize and energize your skin. Foil masks prevent moisture from evaporating, allowing essence to be completely absorbed by the skin. I don't think I've ever done a foil mask. So it'd be interesting to see what this is all about. It says why they love it. They were blown away by this mask. Our skin is plump and bright after using it. P.S. It also heats up just a tad bit. Think of it like a sauna effect, super relaxing. Key ingredients are the red complex. 8 red ingredients contains antioxidants and vitamins to nourish and reverse skin damage caused by the environment. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate. This ingredient is a stable form of vitamin C and protects skin from environmental damage while brightening and fading dark spots. So I'm kind of intrigued by this. I'm kind of intrigued by the whole foil aspect and how that kind of heats up your face altogether. This retails for $4. So Facetory does have their own line of skincare products, and this one is the bonus gift for this month. It is the Artemisia Light Balancing Cream, and it says protect your skin and add in extra moisture with this lightweight cream that glides smoothly on your face and sinks in like a dream. Why they love it: this lightweight cream balances your skin from becoming too oily and also heals, hydrates, and brightens. A trick we love: squeeze the cream on the back of your hand, add in a few drops of the Oats Calming Glow, which I did get in the Lux box, and apply. This tip provides added moisture and gives an overall glow. The key ingredient is the Artemisia calapress extract, 50%, an ingredient known to balance and heal skin and is anyone suffering from acne, excess oil, dullness, or dark spots. I think the only one that I really have is kind of the dullness going on. It contains vitamin A and C to help brighten skin and reverse damage caused by environmental factors. This alone, guys, retails for 20 bucks. This alone just paid for the entire box. So it is 50 grams or 1.76 of an ounce. I really like this one, you guys. This sounds really intriguing, and I can't wait to try these face masks. There is something in here for everybody. It's one of the reasons why I like it. And you try new and exciting K-beauty products that you would probably never try before. So I can't wait to dive in and get a little pamper me time going on. What did you guys think? Was there a product that intrigued you more than anything else? Let me know that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do. It does really mean a lot to me. You know, we're trying to hit that 700 subscriber goal so I can do another big giveaway for you guys. Hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you so you know when our next video will be posted. I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.